Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to increase font size in Confluence. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up your space and locate the page with the text you want to increase the font size for. So here I've opened the space and this is the page I will go to increase the font size for. And here is the text. So first I want you to highlight the text. And then right here, you'll see text styles. I want you to click on it. And this one is currently normal text. Of course, there are shortcuts as well. For example, for heading 1, it's Control plus Alt plus 1. And if I choose heading 1, this is the biggest font size they have available. Okay. And as you can see, I have increased the size, and you can, of course, choose any size you like according to your needs. There's no way in Confluence to choose exact font sizes, but this is the closest you can get, and you can increase your font size like this. So that is how to increase a font size in Confluence.